Hello everyone, I'm Hadris with WTI and look at this super cute little house. My little cousin loves spending the day playing indoors because she says it's her fortress. She's quite fancy and I think it's a decent size to place it anywhere. Inside, there's plenty of space for both kids to play and be with their toys. I really like that it has this net so they can stay there for a long time and mosquitoes won't get in because you can close it up top and the entrance has these small clamps to keep it shut, which is really practical. What I like most is that I can take it everywhere, providing them with their play space because it's effortless to store. I practiced a lot to learn, but you just have to twist your hands and that's it. They fit perfectly in their bag, and with that size, it's very easy to take everywhere. It's truly a great option for them to have their play space, and she loves pretending to be a princess inside. And this is my point of view.